how it is caused. The fault zones, that is the earth's structure we discussed, in which the uppermost layer, that is the crust, it is made up of plates, and generally the boundaries of the plates are the weak zones, you can say. Why? Because we studied the tremors occur due to the collision of one or two plates with one another, right? So we studied the fault zones, then we discussed the precautions which are to be taken whenever there is an earthquake. Okay, that is, we discuss the protections against the earthquake, whether it is inside the house or whether we are inside, or when we are inside and when we are outside the house. Now, two very important topics, you can say, for the earthquake we have to study. That is, the first one is the Richter scale. Okay, the Richter scale. Now, what is a Richter scale? It is a scale which is used to measure the magnitude of the earthquake. A Richter scale is generally used to measure the magnitude of the earthquake. Magnitude, you can say the intensity, how much strength or how much destructive an earthquake was. Okay, so generally a Richter scale has readings from 0 to 10 or 0 to 12. Okay, got it? Now, the earthquake is not linear. Okay, it is in form of waves. Got it? In form of waves, which are actually known as the seismic waves. Okay, like this. Got it? Clear? So, the destruction or the strength, you can say, the magnitude of the readings here. That means if an earthquake is of magnitude 0 to 1, and if there is another earthquake which is of magnitude 0 to 2, then the difference between the two earthquakes is not 1. Then the magnitude is 10 times. Okay, each time the reading increases, the magnitude of the earthquake increases 10 times. Why? Because the earthquake is not linear. Okay, we don't get a linear reading. We get a wavy reading. Why? Because there is tremor, and how that we will study in seismograph. Okay, so this is what the reading is. Actually, the earthquake is 10 times more destructive. Okay, so that means if an earthquake is of magnitude 4 and another earthquake is of magnitude 6, then what is the difference? You can say the difference of strength is more, 10 times more, that is 10 into 10. Correct? Got it? Or this is how much destructive than 1? 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. That is 10,000 times more stronger. So as the reading increases, the magnitude increases 10 times. The magnitude of the earthquake increases 10 times. That is, the earthquake is 10 times more destructive. Okay, in every region. Clear? So, if the earthquake is of reading, or you can say of magnitude 7 or 7.5, it is said to be very, very destructive. Okay, it causes much destruction to life and property. Okay, so, and also there is an example in your book, the earthquake which occurred in Gujarat and also in Uri. They were of magnitude 7.5 and they were very, very destructive. Okay, they caused a lot of destruction to life and property. Okay, so this is all about Richter scale. Richter scale is the intensity of the earthquake increases 10 times if the reading increases in the Richter scale. Okay. Now let's discuss what is a seismograph. Seismograph is the reading. Okay. Seismograph is actually used to get the reading of the earthquake. Okay. The scientists, they can get the reading. That means how much destruction or how much was the magnitude of a particular earthquake. Now how it is? The seismograph is a kind of a device, okay, which has a stand, a metal stand, then it is connected to a metal rod. Okay, it is connected to a metal rod. This metal rod is connected to a pendulum, metal pendulum. Then this metal pendulum is connected to a peg. This pendulum is connected to a pen. Okay, and now as tremors occur means when earthquake comes, then what happens? There is a trembling. Okay, the surface starts shaking. Now as it shakes, this also shakes. So this pen also shakes. Yes, pen shakes like this. So like this. So what happens? There is a paper here. Okay, there is a paper attached, rolling with a rolling drum. There is a paper attached with a rolling drum, and this also starts rolling, and then we get the reading like this. So जितना बड़ा हमारा रीडिंग होता है उतना ज़्यादा मैग्नीट्यूड का earthquake होता है. And this particular instrument or device is a seismograph, which helps the scientists to create the map of the earthquake and also to get the reading of the earthquake. So that's all about the earthquake. I hope you understood. If you haven't, you can just write a message with your doubt, whatever your doubt is. Okay, I'll try to clear it once again. There's nothing. It's only a device, or you can say it's an instrument. Very important things. Metal rod, a metal stand. Okay, this entire is a metal stand. This is a metal rod, a pendulum, a pen, and a rolling paper. Okay, these 5 things. And as shaking appears, the tremors, when they appear, what happens? This entire thing starts shaking. Why? Because this is kept on the surface of the earth. Okay, it starts shaking and this starts rolling, and the reading with the pen starts writing on the paper. Okay, like this. The waves appear like this. Okay, and we get the reading of the magnitude of the earthquake. Okay, that's all. And this also we discussed about the Richter scale, which is used to measure the magnitude of the earthquake. So it has reading from 0 to 12. Okay, and as we keep going ahead by one number, or you can say one reading, each time the intensity or the magnitude increases 10 times. Okay, I should write like this, 10 times for you. Okay, so this completes the chapter. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the question and answers, which we will be marking in the book, and we won't be writing it in the copy.